Hi, my name is Ice. In this video I'm going to show you how just with one click you can select separately voices inside MIDI chords progression in Cubase. Now, why you may need this feature. For example, you are a theme composer and you did a quick arrangement using only piano, and then you need to give some voices to strings, others to brass section, and this is very time-consuming process. Another example could be that you want to select a specific voice and mute it, transpose, change velocity, notch. Long story short, if you are making music and value your time, you definitely need this feature under your belt. So let's create it. I wish Ableton has this feature. You can download all the presets using the link in the description. First, open your MIDI part, then go to Cubase upper menu, click MIDI, then scroll down to Logic Editor and click Setup. Now we're going to create the first preset for selecting the lowest note in every chord. First, you need to clear both windows, click Remove. In the first window, Event Target Filter, click Insert to add a new filter. Inside Filter Target column, choose Type Is. Inside Condition column, choose Equal. Inside Parameter 1, choose Note. Now click Insert again to add one more condition. Make sure inside Bool column you set AND condition. Inside Filter Target, choose Context Variable. Inside Condition, choose Equal. Inside Parameter 1 column, choose Note Number in Chord. Inside Parameter 2, type 0. At the bottom, make sure the function is set to Select. Now let's test it. I have a 4 notes chords progression. When I click Apply, Cubase selects only the lowest note in every chord. This is our bass voice. Now save your preset, click inside preset name and choose Save Changes as preset. Give your preset a name. I use i6, select lower note, bass voice. Now let's create the second preset for tenor voice. You can create it from scratch or use the previous preset as a foundation. You need to keep everything except parameter 2. Here you type 1. Click Apply. Now Cubase selects the second note from the bottom in every chord. This is our tenor voice. Save your preset. Now I hope the logic is clear. For the next voice, alto, we are using exactly the same preset, but we change parameter 1 to number 2, and for soprano we change it to number 3. So basically we're telling Cubase which note position inside the chord we want to select. 0 is for bass, 1 for tenor, 2 for alto, and 3 for soprano. Keep this logic in mind if you are using more than 4 notes in chords, let's say 5. Then you need to create one more preset where you need to change parameter 2 to number 4 in order to select highest pitch inside 5 voices chords. Another cool feature is that after we selected the voice, we can assign the proper voice name inside Key Editor. For example, select the highest voice using your soprano preset, then go to Info line of the Key Editor. Inside the voice field, click and choose soprano from the list. Now all selected notes are assigned to soprano voice. Repeat the same process for other voices. This is very useful if you work with choir, orchestration, complex piano arrangement, or 4-part harmony. That's all for today. Click that like button, hit subscribe for more tips and tricks, and I see you in the next one.